Alright, so here's another installment in my video series on how to work with SL Genie. Today what we're going to cover is adding banner ads to the different safe lists. Each safe list you sign up for usually gives you the opportunity to add one or more banners, and so that's what we'll be covering today. So as you can see, I've already signed in to SL Genie, and I've clicked on the Submit/Sign Up button up at the top there. So we're going to add a 468 by 60 banner. That's the long skinny banner, but there is the option of adding the rectangular one, the 120 by 90 through here as well. But we're going to just stick with the 468 by 60 for today. So I do have a number of banner profiles already added. I'll just take you in and show you. Go edit. All right, so campaign name, also profile name. Now you'll notice in the profile name I do include the size of the banner. That way I can tell at a real quick glance which one it is I'm working with. So I've named it so I know what the banner is. The banner URL, that is for the actual picture of the banner, the image. And then destination URL, that is where you want people to go when they click on that banner. And then you can set a default number of credits to assign. I've just set mine for 500. All right, so I'm not going to save that because I didn't make any changes. So once you've decided on the banner you want to use, then you're going to just go over here to website. Let's go down to, we'll start here. I did some of the other ones earlier, so now you just hit go. Oh, it won't let me. All right, so onward we go. All right, so as you can see, it's skipped the whole login process. It just takes me into where I need to be. Select banner. You can also do text ad through this spot, but we're going to do banner, so next. Okay, so add a banner campaign. It's entered the name of the banner for me. The image link, chosen the banner size, added the destination URL, and gave me a set default number of credits. Now I'm going to just increase that because I have lots of credits in this account. So then you're just going to hit next. Check and make sure that the image shows up, and then click on it. Make sure it does go to the sign up page or landing page of whatever sort that you want it to go to. Recommendation is, of course, that you use a capture page. They likely are not already on your list, and so to grow your list, you want them to be able to add their email address or additional contact information. So seems to work fine. Just going to hit save, and there it goes. So then you would just move on to the next one. I'll just do one more here for example. Again, brings me right in. Some of them will have you log in, but most of the time it just takes me right in here. Hit next. It fills everything in for me. And again, I've got a reasonable number, so I'm just going to increase that a little bit. And hit next. Again, make sure the image shows up. Make sure when you click on it, the capture page shows up. And hit save. So there you go. Banner was saved. So that's the video for today. Just a real quick one on how to add banners to the safe lists through SL Genie. I hope you found this educational. If you have any comments or questions, certainly feel free to leave them in the box below.